Welcome back to the Water Action Platform. We frequently discuss both pee and poo and how to manage the end of life of consumer products, especially when they hit our wastewater networks and become biosolids. But today we're tracing the pipe backward to look at a quiet shift happening in bathrooms globally. Consumers eager to reduce their environmental footprint are ditching the familiar cardboard tube of traditional toilet paper for tree-free bamboo alternatives. It's an eco-friendly swap that just hit a snag that nobody saw coming. A rigorous new life cycle assessment conducted by researchers at North Carolina State University in the USA tracks tissue products from the soil to the shop shelf. They compared traditional consumer bath tissue made from a blend of Brazilian eucalyptus and Canadian softwood against bamboo-based tissue imported to the US from China. They had a surprising result. Traditional wood-based tissue actually has a significantly lower carbon footprint than the green bamboo alternatives. The research team found that what the mill burns matters far more than what the plant grows. It turns out Chinese facilities processing bamboo rely heavily on coal grids for electricity and steam. Meanwhile, Canadian softwood mills often tap into hydroelectric power, and Brazilian eucalyptus plants burn their own leftover wood waste, slashing their reliance on fossil fuels. So when you factor in the coal-reliant grids, the emissions maths flip entirely. The study also highlighted a hidden climate cost that transcends the type of fibre, its softness. Standard tissue uses light, dry crepe technology, but premium ultra-soft tissue requires creped through air drying, a process that blasts the sheet with hot air and requires massive amounts of natural gas or electricity. The pursuit of a gentler touch carries a heavy climate cost, whether it's wood or bamboo. And for us in the water sector, there's another evolution happening. Some households are bypassing tissue entirely. Bidets and washlets, already fixtures in many parts of the world, can cut household tissue use by up to 75%. And while bidet usage shifts the dynamic towards higher water consumption in the household, it represents a meaningful restraint on global tissue demand and heavily alters the solids load entering treatment facilities. Ultimately, this research serves as a great reminder for our whole sector. We have to look past single attribute marketing. A label like tree-free doesn't guarantee a sustainable product if the manufacturing infrastructure behind it isn't green. To dive into the full methodology, the data charts, and the carbon sequestration modelling, you can find the complete article by Forfora et al., published in the 2025 volume of the journal Cleaner Environmental System. Thank you for tuning in. Keep asking questions, keep sharing, and keep safe.